All right, you ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce you to a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. This is Jeff. I'm Robbie. We're here to show you today how to make the ginger pineapple apple autumn punch. We'll have a better name in the title of this video, but it's a work in progress. Anyway, it's a phenomenal drink. We make it at home all the time. I think you're going to enjoy it, so stay tuned. All right, so to make this drink, we're going to use our Queen Charlotte's Reserve. Jeff, if you don't mind, we're going to put...
You got it over there.
2 ounces of Queen Charlotte in each cocktail.
All right.
So we're doing a lowball glass here. Just a nice, clean way to serve up Queen Charlotte. And we're using the 1 year for this one. It's our most awarded product. It's been in Playboy Magazine, Travel and Leisure, Liquor.com, Gold Medal in the Miami Rum Fest.
Yeah.
Cease and desist letter from Maker's Mark. Pretty cool. Pretty cool product right there. Real proud of this one. So that's the base for our drink today. After Queen Charlotte's Reserve, we're going to add some pineapple to this drink. We're going to do approximately 1 ounce of pineapple in each cocktail. Kind of gives it the punch aspect of the drink, you know.
A little complexity, secret ingredient.
Yeah, works really well. All right, so we've got pineapple, we've got Queen Charlotte. Next up, we're doing apple cider. So I'm just going to pour in a little bit of apple cider in each one. How come your drink always looks more full? You put more rum in
I just put more rum in mine, I guess.
That's about right. All right, so I added about 1.5 ounces of apple cider to each of those drinks. And last but not least, we're going to top this drink and stir it with some ginger ale. So, Jeff, what kind of ginger ale are we using here?
We're using the Unknown's craft ginger ale. One of my favorites. It's pretty much the only ginger ale I drink now, actually.
Yeah, it's a real go-to.
Yeah, nice spice note on it. Good and balanced.
Real ginger.
Real ginger. You can taste it.
It's strong and it's good. All right, so we're going to give that a good stir. Get everything kind of intermingled properly so the drink is balanced. Nice and steady there.
Nicely done.
No. And that's pretty much it. We're going to garnish this with some apples just to really dial in the fact that it's fall and we're drinking cider right now. It's a cider kind of cocktail month.
Makes the drink.
Yeah. And that's our autumn, fall, ginger punch.
Autumn
Queen
punch.
Charlotte. Yeah, autumn punch. Yeah.
Yep.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Link in the description of our website and social media, and the recipe is also down there. If you can't find our products in your local liquor store, please ask for them. Otherwise, cheers. Happy fall.
No.
Oh, hi. Didn't see that.